In this video, we're talking about the 3 common lash mistakes with hybrid lashes. The number one most common mistake that I definitely make when I was a beginner, and I still sometimes make, is doing too much volume. I'll do the volume first and then add in the classics, and sometimes there's not enough room for the classics and it looks like a volume set, and that is a huge mistake. So you definitely want to make sure you do that 50-50 ratio and do every other lash with the volume, and then you can still add in the classics. It's your decision. There's a lot of different ways you can do it, but doing too much volume is definitely the number one mistake in hybrid lashes. The second common mistake that lash artists make when they are doing hybrid lashes is not doing enough classics. This is really important because the 50-50 ratio has to be 50-50 in order for it to look like a mixed or a hybrid set. If you don't have enough classics, it's just gonna look like volume fans, and when that one volume fan falls out, it's gonna be a gap. So you wanna make sure you have enough classics in there, so when one volume fan falls out, there's some classics there in the way, so it doesn't look completely bald. That's a huge mistake that a lot of lash artists make, and that I made, is not doing enough classics. The third most common mistake is making sure that hybrid is good for the client, that they can handle it, that they can take care of it. This is something you want to go over in the consultation process. You want to make sure you ask them questions like, are you swimming a lot? Do you work out a lot? Do you do hot yoga 3 times a week? These are really important to ask because hybrid doesn't have a lot of flexibility. It doesn't give you the best retention because you are not putting a fan on every single lash. You want to make sure that their lifestyle works well with this hybrid set, and let them know, be honest with them and let them know that this might not be the best retention. If you're, say, going on vacation, you're gonna be swimming for 4 days straight. This might not be the best for them, so you wanna make sure you ask that, and that is the third common mistake that lash artists make when they are doing hybrid sets. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brought a ton of value to you. If you are interested in taking any lash classes and being certified in lash extensions, please head over to the LivBay lash class and see if we're gonna be in a town near you. Question for you, what other common mistakes have you faced when you are doing hybrid lashes? Leave your answers in the comments below.